Foldable phones have become increasingly popular due to their portability and trendiness. And at this year's Google I/O, the tech giant unveiled its first foldable device, the Pixel Fold. The Pixel Fold keeps the inward folding, tablet-to-phone design that is characteristic of foldable phones. However, it stands out from its competitors as the thinnest foldable phone on the market, while still maintaining the advanced technology found in other Pixel phones. To start, the phone is compact when folded and fits comfortably in your hand. However, when opened, it reveals a large 7.6-inch OLED display that is perfect for watching movies, multitasking, working, and more. The Pixel Fold features Google's custom Tensor G2 chip, which powers the Pixel 7 lineup, and delivers improved machine learning capabilities, performance, and efficiency. Tensor G2 also powers new foldable features like dual-screen live translate, which lets users transcribe dialogues between two different languages. The feature will be available later in the year when the Pixel Fold updates to Android 14. The camera on the Pixel Fold is comparable to that of the Pixel 7 lineup, with a 48MP main lens that's capable of 5x optical zoom and 20x super-res zoom. There's also hands-free capturing with tabletop mode, which you can use by bending the phone and setting it down like a tripod. Of course, the phone will home all of the advanced camera features found on other Google phones, including Magic Eraser, Photo Unblur, Long Exposure, and more. Google says the battery on the Fold can last more than 24 hours, and up to 72 hours on extreme battery saver mode, and is compatible with both wireless and wired charging. It's a 4,821 mAh capacity. The Pixel Fold will be available in obsidian and porcelain colors, and will retail at $1,799 for the 256GB model, and $1,919 for the 512GB variant. That's in line with the foldable's closest competitor, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 4. The box includes the phone, a SIM tool, a quick switch adapter, and a USB-C to USB-C cable. The Pixel Fold is now available for pre-order from the Google Store, major retailers, and carriers. The device is expected to start shipping next month.